Hey guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome to my new video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you the 3 ways to take screenshots on your Windows 10 PC. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like this video just like you're smashing your crush, okay? Let's move on to the video. So guys, let's start the video. The first method, you have to press Windows key and print screen, okay? Just click that. Okay, just move on to this my PC and the pictures screenshot. That's it guys. Okay, the second method, you have to search settings and ease of access, then move on to the keyboard section, then there is print screen printing option. Okay, print screenshots. Okay, let's turn it on. Then press the print screen button. Okay, then I'll select. Okay, I'll select the first one. Okay, it's good like a sheet. Okay, then you have to search MS Paint. Okay, let's click the paste. That's it. Rounded sheet. That's it. This look like a rounded sheet. Okay, now the third method, just click Windows Shift and S. Again the tool appeared. Okay, then open MS Paint, then paste it. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my shit channel. Okay guys, bye.